All right, so if you find the ability to create files and folders using your terminal interesting, I believe you also find it interesting to know how to delete things, okay? Because it feels good to be able to delete stuff using the terminal. And so in this video, we're going to learn about a new command called rm, which is basically short for remove, and we use that to remove files and folders. There is a slight difference in the flags that you need to set if you are removing a folder that is not empty, and I'm going to demonstrate all that to you. So how about we start by removing the sample.txt file because we don't need it anymore. It's as simple as typing rm, which stands for remove, and then the name of the file sample.txt, and you can see that indeed our sample.txt is gone. All right, so if I want to delete code base, which is a folder, I can also do rm code base, and poof, it is saying rm code base is a directory. And so if you wanted to delete directories, then you need to specify some flags, okay? And I'm going to teach you a combination of two flags that will help you to delete any directory, whether it is empty or not. So I do rm minus rf. So basically the r means delete recursively. So if it is a folder, it is going to delete that folder and all other folders that are in that folder, and including other files, and the f is for false, okay? So one thing you also want to take note of is when you do deletions from the terminal, they might not show up in your recycling bin. So when you go to the recycling bin, the things that we have deleted from the terminal are not going to be there, so you cannot replace it easily. So you want to be sure you want to delete stuff when you are doing that. All right, so rm minus rf, and now I do code base, and now code base is gone. So you can see that the commands in the terminal do not leave you wanting or confused if something is wrong. They print out information for you to know what's going on inside, okay? So I'm also going to delete the project folder that we created. So I'll do rm minus rf, and I'll specify project, and you can see that indeed the project folder has been deleted as well. So thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you in the next video where we learn about how to create files using a simple command called touch, and it is something that we'll be using a lot throughout this course. So see you soon.